TDDOnto2 is a tool for test-driven development of ontologies. TDDOnto2 uses a test-first approach to ontology authoring, that is checking whether an axiom is already entailed in the ontology or would cause problems before adding it, and it can then save time, which would be otherwise needed for classification. I will demonstrate a TDDOnto2 plugin to Protégé ontology modeling environment using a subset of the popular pizza ontology. After uploading a jar of the plugin into a plugins directory of Protégé, one can access it via Window, Views, Ontology Views menu. In the first test, I will check whether capricciosa is a subclass of vegetarian pizza. Capricciosa is not in the ontology, and thus TDDOnto2 returns an error. It is indicated by a red dotted line below capricciosa and red-lined text box. I will now add the capricciosa pizza to the ontology. Now we can test the axiom again, but before we do it, we need to classify the ontology. The result of this first test is absent. I will then add the axiom to the ontology. The next axiom I would like to add is capricciosa, subclass of head topping, some anchovies topping. The result of this test is incoherent, since a vegetarian pizza cannot have a fish topping, and anchovies topping is a fish topping. Let me add it to the ontology anyway. The result I have obtained is failed precondition ontology incoherent, since the class capricciosa is unsatisfiable and the ontology is already inconsistent. No test can now be executed before it is fixed. Let me fix it. Let me now add few more tests. Let me now run these tests. The first of the new tests illustrates the ability of TDDOnto2 of handling general inclusion axioms. Two of the first tests contain the axioms that are already entailed in the ontology, and two other ones consider axioms that are not entailed by the ontology. Let me now remove from the test set those entailed ones and the ones that cause problems. I will now add two remaining ones to the ontology. These changes require classifying the ontology, and then we can run the tests again. Now, all these axioms should be normally entailed by the ontology, and the result is as expected. Now I will also like to test some axioms involving individuals. Let me check whether Italy can be food. It cannot, since food and country are now disjoint. Then I will add new individuals, Poland and South Africa, and check the results of tests when declaring them different individuals than Italy. Such axioms are absent, but can be added to the ontology. Now all the axioms that were not causing problems are entailed. And we can finish this tutorial and simple demo. Thank you.